I'm about to check into a Premier Inn in Germany. So Premier Inn are just launching on the continent. I always stay at them in the UK, so let's see how they differ in Germany. I have a reservation. Claire Martin is the name.
Welcome to Premier Inn.
Thank you. So I quite often stay in Premier Inns when I travel around the UK, but only recently have they branched out into the continental European market. And now there are about a dozen Premier Inns open across Germany. So the one I'm staying at is Cologne City Süd. There are actually a few others in Cologne as well. So let's take a little look at the room and see how it compares to a British Premier Inn. First up, we've got the bed. Now the first thing I noticed was that this bed is not as big as the bed you get in a British Premier Inn. Let's test how comfy it is. Shall I jump? Oh! I'm not going to lie, it's not as comfy as the Premier Inns in the UK, but it's all right. It is a bit firm. What I do like, however, is we've got this swivel chair complete with a Premier Inn branded purple pillow, complete with the logo, and this very good desk, which... Shall I move closer or shall I pull it closer? So I can imagine sitting here doing my work, and there's even some plugs just there. Also, of course, we have a flat screen TV. Not sure if I'll be watching any of the programmes. And then on either side, we've got reading lights. No USB chargers, unfortunately. Oh no, we have got USB chargers and your standard EU plugs. I do not know what any of that means apart from Schlaf in der Nacht, which means sleep at night. Is that eat? I don't know what Denker or handle is, but yeah, basically morning, midday, evening and night. Let me know in the comments if you know what that means. Now, we have not got the same selection of tea that you get in the British Premier Inns. We've got a peppermint, mixed berries. Actually, that's not too bad. Maybe that is the same. Because we've got coffee, 2 breakfast teas, a peppermint and a mixed berries, sugar, coffee creamer. And then we've got 2 mugs, another one here, and 2 glasses, and your standard kettle, which I can't open. It's very clean inside. Signature Premier Inn purple mood lighting throughout. Safety deposit box. And I don't know why you'd need this stool right here. I guess if you wanted to have another space to work, if there's 2 of you. There's no mirror or anything. There is one here. Ah, this is probably to sit in front of there and get ready. Actually, that's quite clever. I take it back. These are quite jazzy. Places to hang your coat, not a climbing wall. And then this is the clothes storage. Extra pillows, which is always good. A suitcase holder, hangers, and a shelf. It all seems perfectly clean. I've not noticed any uncleanliness. Let's have a look in the bathroom. This is the first time I've stepped in here. Oh, okay. Shower looks good. Looks modern, looks like it'd be powerful. This is nearly empty actually. Bayliss and Harding, which is nice. Luxury hair and body wash. I'm always a bit suspicious about that though, because your hair and your body need different washes. Anyway, we've got a toilet here. Self-explanatory really. And the sink. 2 lots of towels, hand towel there, another hand towel there. Hairdryer. And some more Bayliss and Harding luxury hand wash. It is pretty similar to Premier Inns in the UK, but it is just that little bit smaller. It's absolutely fine for me. I think if me and my partner were here in that bed, we would find that quite small because we do like a big bed. But for just me on my own, it's absolutely fine. And also, when I checked it, the receptionist asked me, what level do you want the room to be on? She said, do you want a high level or a low level? And I was like, well, as long as the lift's working, I'll take a high level. She said, yeah, the view is lovely up there. Let's take a look. Wait, can I open this window? Oh, I can only open it. I mean, can't really see much because of the glare, but it is quite a nice view. You may just have to trust me on that one. So this Premier Inn has 17 floors and I am on the 16th. I'll show you downstairs in just a moment. I am spending an evening at the Cologne Christmas market, so I need to get ready for that. So they do a Premier Inn breakfast here, which I'm guessing is probably pretty similar to the Premier Inn breakfast in the UK. Maybe a slightly different in variation. Unfortunately, I won't be able to check it out as I have to leave at 5:30 in the morning to go to Lübeck. Is this lift coming? I don't know if it is. There we go, now it is. But I will show you the downstairs area and the restaurant and bar and everything now. Woohoo! So we've got a food and drinks menu here. Fruity tomato soup, €7.50. Goulash soup, €7.20. Coconut curry soup, €8.50. Pincer. What's pincer? Sandwiches, we've got €11.50 for a vegan sandwich. Vegan platter, €15.50. Doesn't seem that cheap, not gonna lie. And then here we've got the drinks menu. So €3.20 for a Coca-Cola. Beer is, which one of those is a pint? 0.4 is it? €4.90. Cocktails €7.50. Aperol Spritz €7.50. Yeah, those are like standard similar prices to England, I guess. And this is the kind of decor, so I presume this is also where the breakfast is served. Oh yeah, this looks like the breakfast area here. So I guess it is all served buffet style, like the UK. And then we've got this breakfast hall. This space looks quite cosy and chic. Lots of different places to sit and have a drink. And these are all the places where you will find Premier Inn in Deutschland. Oh, they've got one in Lübeck as well, that's where I'm going next. Hamburg, Berlin, Wolfsburg, Braunschweig, Hanover, Leipzig, Dresden, Essen, Düsseldorf, Cologne, Wuppertal, Frankfurt, Wiesbaden, Saarbrücken, Mannheim, Heidelberg, Nürnberg, Stuttgart, Regensburg, Passau, Freiburg and München. I sincerely apologise for the pronunciation of probably all of those names. My pronunciation is awful. Right, I'm going to go to the Christmas markets now and I will come back to this video when I return. It is like gone 11 o'clock and I need to be up at 5, so it really is time for me to get some shut-eye. But had a shower, it was lovely. I'm now settling down to sleep in bed. Like I said, it isn't the comfiest. The beds in Premier Inns in the UK have really nice mattresses. This mattress is pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. But it's fine, it's only for one night. So I am going to go to sleep now and I will check back in very early tomorrow morning and let you know how my night was. Good night. Oh, it is about 5:15 in the morning. Oh, I've got about 15 minutes till I want to leave. And yeah, the night sleep was, well, I got some sleep. Obviously, if I didn't have to be up so early, I'd get some more sleep. The bed was not that comfy. I would actually not rate the bed very high for comfiness at all. It was very hard. And the provided pillows, I used both of them. And at first, that was not very comfortable at all. Then I remembered that there were some pillows in the wardrobe, so I got one of those out, and that was a lot more comfy. It wasn't awful, but I feel like Premier Inn beds in the UK are quite well known for their comfort level. I always find them very comfortable, so to have it so different was a bit strange. Anyway, that is my only complaint. Other than that, it was very quiet. The temperature control was fine. I just wish I had a little bit longer to sleep this morning, but that is fine. I shall probably have a nap on the train and I am excited to get up to the north of Germany. So I'd better finish getting ready and head off. So I'm going to finish this video, here. If you've not already checked out my Christmas markets in Germany video, I know it might not be Christmas when this uploads, but it should still be interesting, then do check that out. Or if not, take a look at this video. It is all about my time in Aachen, a city near Cologne, and one that I absolutely loved. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!